Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do this 4 or 5 ingredient gut health juice, right? It's a green juice. Now if you don't have the ingredients, you could use 3. Like, let me know if you try it. It's great, it's amazing. And also we're gonna do some day-to-day activities, and I'm gonna vlog and take you on my Amazon day in the life, okay? And stay tuned for that video. But anyway guys, let go. I don't want y'all to, you know what I'm saying, I don't want the wait. Hello. I'm good. She's testing out the bed. So ladies, if you over 40, get your mammogram, get your breast checked, make sure you don't have no lumps, no cancerous bumps, and make sure everything is copacetic. Y'all already know, take care of yourself, okay? Health is wealth. Don't let me see y'all not taking care of yourself. And I'm over 40, so this was my first time. Turn around. Yay. Yay. Let me see. Very nice. So lately, the supermarket has been having an overload of watermelons. I'm not sure why, but y'all already know watermelons is great and it's very hydrating. So instead of having regular water, I'm definitely down for watermelon juice, watermelon slushy, watermelon icy, everything. And your girl requested it, so I delivered. Okay, all my West Indians, who remember having icy like this? So we blending this up. Yeah, we making this so she can have some. Look at her. Your girl was loving it, so it tastes delicious. So y'all gotta try it. Let me know in the comment section if you do. But now let's go and have some green juice for your gut health. All right, these are all the great benefits from green juice. High in dietary fiber, which is essential for your digestion. The fiber aids in regular bowel movement and rich in nutrients that feed and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Okay, and vegetable enzymes that give your immune system much needed boost, helping you overcome any chronic symptoms that you have in case you have a leaky gut, which is gross. But anywho, now let's talk about the benefits of ginger and apples and all the good stuff that it does for your body. Now look at this, $125. They talking about Dollar Tree, but it's $125. $125 tree. So like I said, now the green juice has great probiotics, digestive enzyme, antioxidants and nutrients, fiber, chlorophyll, phytonutrients. Don't come for me. I don't know how you pronounce it, but whatever. And the green juice can also help with weight loss and immune function and detoxification. Y'all know the ginger is great for inflammation. Y'all know turmeric is great for inflammation. So I don't have to tell you, right? Y'all could tell me something. And ginger also lowers blood sugar, relieves pain, lowers cholesterol, and like I said, it's an anti-inflammatory. Now let's talk about the benefits of turmeric. So it helps you fight cancer. It's a great antioxidant, heart health, reduce inflammation, arthritis, digestion, improve memory, pain relief, Alzheimer's, boost moods. I mean, everything. Come on now. Apples help digestion, antioxidants, also weight management, heart health. Apples could promote heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer prevention. Apples may help prevent cancer, especially lung cancer, immune system. So all you people that's getting sick all the time, get it together and eat some apples. Like they say, apple a day keep the doctor away. I guess it's true because it said apples can support immune system health. Okay. Bottoms up. This is great. You could drink it every day, all the time. It doesn't matter. Okay. Cheers to you. Let me know in the comment section if y'all try this. And it tastes good. The apples make it sweet. So don't think because it's green, it's yucky. Come on now. I can't. Look how good it looks. So healthy. And it's cheap. Okay. Now let's go to work. This is how you enter. You scan your badge. All right. Now, this is before my third promotion. Now with Amazon, you get promoted internally, meaning inside, through your management team. Like, you know, you go online and you apply and you get promoted. You move up in the chain of command. Okay, get it together. You don't only go in there and be in the warehouse and move boxes. Come on, wake up, people. Now, when I first started, I was in inbound. That means like I was in the back and I was getting shipments that was coming in. This part is the robotics area. Those are all the new robots that's supposedly taking over. They so ugly and creepy. Anyway, I don't know. They just like big. They look like big vacuums. But look at your girl. Ow. So I went from inbound to problem solving. That's a promotion. So that's why you see I got that vest and I got the title. Okay. And you get like a $2 raise. So now this is in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Yeah. Okay. I got my steel toe sneakers on because y'all already know safety first. I got my gloves hooked on my hip. And what do I have? I got my vest. They claim that's safety, but how a vest gonna protect you? But anyway, yeah. Now I'm following my supervisor because I'm going to get another station because my station was acting a fool. So now we back in robotics. So it's switching back and forth. But y'all already know. I'm telling you. People that work at Amazon, y'all already know. People that don't, hey, welcome. If you're interested, go ahead, go online. Because seasonal positions, they coming up, honey. Christmas is coming. Oh, that's close. So I sped it up. Now this is the break room. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Now, who remembers this iced tea? Barisk. Okay, look how fancy it's coming out. What's going on? They too fancy with it. Okay. Cheers to me. But who remembers this? This is mad old. They got it for $1. Oh, my bad. $1.25. $1.25 tree? Yeah. They soon gonna be having $5 and all this and all that. But yeah, look, the game is on. Y'all watch this? I don't. But that guy was sitting there acting like he was so interested. No, he wasn't. So break time is over. I'm glad y'all like the break room. Back to work. Y'all that know that work at Amazon, y'all know 30 minutes is like 5 seconds. Now we just walking through. This is the main floor. This is where you get all the work, and they load it up in these little elevators. They go upstairs and they give each load to each person that stows. Now that's my next position. I was a stower, so that means like I'm taking the items and I'm placing them inside these pockets. But y'all gonna see them yellow things. Yeah, I call it an oversized shoe-case, but it's called a pod. It comes to you and you scan it and you put it in the right place, like to see where they have space. You scan it and you put it and you press a button and release it. But I will get to that soon. You'll see me in action. I know y'all want to see me. I know. But then my third position, is the robotics. So basically I did it backwards. Robotic is the last. So that's the position the last promotion. But look at all these stairs. Why is there so much stairs? I can't stand them. Like over and over and over all night. I'm up and down these stairs. For what? Because when the machine doesn't work, I got to come back to stand up and let them know what's going on. So this is stand up, basically where everybody comes when you clock in. You go here and you get your position. Now here I am stowing, like I told you. So you see all the red little pockets. I'm scanning. Yes, it lights up and puts you in. Now the lights signal if it's green to go, just like if you're driving. When it's purple though, it means do not touch the machine. Don't put it in. It's too small or something's wrong. Don't put it in the machine. Doesn't matter. Can you make any more noise with that? Sorry about that. So you just basically scan it all night. Now this is 12 hours. I was doing 10 hours before problem solving, and now I'm doing 12 hours. Like I said, promotion. Now that's another $2.25 raise. Now if you work in part-time, you do not have benefits. If you work full-time, your benefits start the day that you start working. So good luck, guys. But I'm gonna do another video all about Amazon, but this I just wanted to show you basically what's going on. You know what I'm saying? If you thinking about it, this was happened. I know I showed you before. I was at Royal Farms. I tried it, didn't like it, and left. Now you have a ladder right here that slides and it lets you go. You're not supposed to put nothing. You're not supposed to reach tiptoe for nothing that's over your head. Safety first. It might fall on you. Don't do that. The camera's watching me. I got 6 cameras on me right now. I got one right in front of me by my crotch. Y'all can't see it. I got one by the scanner where it lights up. I got one over my head. You can't see. I got one by my camera. I also got one where I was walking. 6. Don't make no sense. And people still be stealing. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we back on the floor. This is basically what you see, what they donate. They have, it says donations. Amazon donates and gives back, which is great. Sorry about that. But they give back and it's lovely, amazing. God bless them, right? So I believe that I have finished my 12-hour shift and that's where I'm going. I'm about to walk out. You got to scan out. You got to put your stuff through a metal detector, which is ghetto. But some people walking there with weapons. You don't know what people got, mental health issues or whatever. But we're going to go and it's going to say exit. In case you don't know, we're leaving. Whoo! Thank you and goodbye. Okay, clock out, 12-hour shift done. I did that. Yes, I did. And I'm out of here. Please. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, donating to my channel. Thank you for sending me all the love and the support. Okay. I'm going to see y'all in my next video because y'all already know I got to give y'all more. I got to come back better than ever. And I'm about to show y'all what the promotion is. Bye, guys.